Hey there, for you to have clicked this video, I know you're having problems with one of your USB cables and probably they have lost their grip and they cannot stick into the phone very firmly. So you see right now this one, when you insert it here, it easily ejects itself. It doesn't really get to grasp the charging port. Right now I want to do a variable hack whereby you can make your USB to gain that new grip that it had once you had bought it initially. So stick with me and let's do this. So what you'll need is a pin like this. So you see this two clips over here, this one and this one, they're the ones that cause the USB to have a grip. So what we aim to do is to incline the position a little bit higher. If you see from this angle that they have been inserted inwards into the USB, so having them stay steadily into your phone while charging becomes quite a problem. So what we intend to do, you have to be very gentle when you're doing this. You do not want to break anything because it might cause your USB not to charge anymore. So kindly, I would really emphasize that you practice carefulness and be very safe with such a pin. It would harm you in a way. So you see at this very end here, you place your pin there and try to incline it in a way, that way, just a bit until you get it. There, do you see? Yep. Okay, again, like that. Do you see it? I hope you can see it. It is inclined right now. So that way, at least a few angles in front. Again, you want to ensure that it is almost outside. The tip of the pin is almost outside fully. This way you can also reduce it to your own liking on how you would want your grip to be like. Be very gentle with it. Make sure you don't cause any breakages. I think we have a right angle there, if you can notice that. However, on this other side it is not inclined as much. On this side, this tip is not inclined as well, so we have to do the same thing on the other side. I think we got it right. No, not yet. It is not as inclined as the other one. Always ensure that you almost get a similar inclination of the tips. I think we got it right. That's better. If you look at that, I think they look pretty well right now. So let's try and do this again. So did you hear that clip? It already indicated that it is now firm. You see, even the phone is charging at the moment. As you can see, when it is clipped in, the phone is charging. So that's it. Thank you.